I was not sure what to expect considering the price, and I feel like I love them. And I look rich. Don't mind if I do. Hi friends. I'm starting this off in like a somewhat terrible mood. I've been editing something for over an hour and an app that will go unnamed because I don't know how app mafias work. An app that will go unnamed has literally not saved my draft multiple times now, and I'm raging inside. But I got a package. This video is brought to you by Temu. Temu. I'm pretty sure it's Temu. Yeah. What they are is basically just like an online marketplace. They sell things like everything, literally. Jewelry, clothing, electronics, household gadgets and gadgets. That kind of stuff. I got housewares, electronics, bodysuits, a silk dress. Anyway, I'm excited for all of it. I'm just gonna do kind of like an unboxing of everything that I got. I'll do the try on at the end. And if you like what you see in this video today, I will like link everything below in the description, and I will also have an exclusive discount that you can use. Right now, they're having a site-wide sale with savings of up to 90% with free shipping and free returns for up to 90 days. They accept all major credit and debit cards, electronic payments, and pay later programs. To learn more, you can visit temu.com or download the app on iOS or Android. I just want to look at everything, so let's get into it, please. I'm excited for my little trinkets that I got.
You want thingamabobs?
Okay, so the first thing, Lenovo earbuds. I want to just like get into them. They've got all kinds of things like phone accessories. I got a little light projector thing. Oh my God, let me in. Okay, let's see these puppies. I think they were like 20 bucks. And for my people, my subscribers, my people. Ooh, I'm way too cheap to get AirPods, but these, like, hello.
Hello, are you stupid?
Oh my God, I look so rich. These are actually so comfortable. I usually struggle with this side because I have my earring. I like can't usually wear headphones in this one. Ah! They like did a thing. They're like trying to connect, I feel like. What do I connect them to? I don't know if you could hear that at all. Probably not. I feel like I'm screaming. They're like a little bit noise canceling. So if I was like a little loud there, sorry. They come with their own little charging case and everything. These are actually so nice. I have a little trip coming up soon, so I'm excited that I'll have these for the plane. I'm gonna look so rich. Yeah. Cool. They work really well. They cancel out noise, so I love that. The charger is not insanely long, which drives me nuts when a charging cord is like so friggin' long. Yeah, I also got like this Velcro thing for like tying off cords and stuff. So let's see if I can find that.
1 hour later.
I got a lot of things. Okay, I can't. We're just gonna go with the next thing. This projector light. I don't know, does it need to be plugged in? I hate reading directions. I feel like I need to charge it. Let me plug it in, get it charging, and we'll look at that later. Oh my God, I forgot my mirror has a USB charger on it. Literally the best mirror ever. This does have a long cord, but it might be necessary. Oh my God, it's working. Okay, hold on, let me turn off the lights. How do I freaking just make it one color? Stop. Okay. Ooh, that's fun. Next. Thank you. No, that one's kind of pretty. Oh, that one's pretty. And, okay, that's all of them. Anyway, it worked. Fun. Woo! Okay, let's get these lights back on. This I got for scrubbing those pesky grouts. I know, such a fun unboxing. I did get some clothes and stuff, so it's also got kind of like a little scrapey edge to it. Gonna get some stuff so clean. I don't know what. My tiles, my bathroom, probably my bathroom. Not today. Something kind of random that I got. It's a magnet for your fridge and it has all the like equivalencies on it. Not that I really measure anything, but it's nice to know if I'm following a recipe. So yeah, that'll just go on my fridge. I got a little jewelry like traveling case. Like I mentioned, I have this trip coming up. Ooh, it zips. Ta-da. So cute. This will keep everything nice and organized, and this is removable. I feel like you can like customize it however you want it to be. Oh no, you can't. No, you cannot do that, but you could do that. I'm definitely not giving Price is Right model right now.
The next item up for bids and the price is right. This is the Honda Elite.
Okay, moving along. Actually, I should just move along to the jewelry that I got. And then I'll put it in the box. That's good. Put it in the box. Everything I pull out, I'm like, oh my God, I forgot about that. This fun ring. Okay, first of all, how the I guess I just put it on. Look at this. You can't. I don't know, man. Driving me nuts. But it's just like a pretty, like, I don't know. I like having fun costume jewelry, and this is a really fun piece. I also got this. This ring is so fun. Ooh, I'm so excited. It's giving me Kate Hudson, How to Lose a Guy in 10 Days with the canary, whatever, yellow diamond. Do you think this is real? She's very rich.
Very rich, bitch.
If I had my freaking AirPods in, they'd probably believe it. It's giving Real Housewives. You see them now? I also got a little collection of ear cuffs. These ones are all gold.
I love gold.
Oh, that's so cute. I love that. They feel like air, like there's nothing to them. Very fun. And there's so many of them. Ooh, that's cool. Then I can have like pretend piercings and not have to actually get all of them and not put a million more holes in my ears. Cute and fun. Okay, next. Another pair of earrings, actually. Pretty cute. I definitely thought that they were gonna have a bit more of like a gem to them, but they're like flat. It's like enamel, kind of. Kind of cute. Pretty sure they were $1, so very cute for $1. Oh, I didn't put the other one on. So stupid. Fun. Cute. I'm putting them in the box. Isn't that cute? Love. Okay. Next. They had shoes on there. I was like, I need to see what those are like. So I got some slides. I got some knockoff Crocs. Knockoff. There's gotta be a thing in there. Croc-offs. I'm done. So I got some slides, some Croc-offs. Like, that kind of work. And I got a pair of sneakers. Let's try them on. How the heck? I don't know how I show this to you. I'm just gonna try them on. They definitely comfortable. They fit. Extremely lightweight. What a cute look with my socks on. Maybe I'll take my socks off. Is that a little bit more respectable? I don't know how to film this, so anyway, they fit pretty well. They're pretty cute. So let's move on. They feel like they're made of the exact same material. They're gonna be literally, I feel like they're gonna be perfect for like going to the beach, going to a pool, whatever. Like they're really great for that. Unless they're very slippery. I don't know. The foam definitely feels like it's like squishing in the heels a little bit. Like I wouldn't wear these on an excursion, but these are gonna be perfect for just getting me from point A to point B. Then we have, ooh, these cute little sneakers. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Apparently I went with a theme. I do like pink. Thing in there. These are actually pretty cute. I'm pleasantly surprised, actually. If I was going to like a festival or a concert or something and I wanted to wear like cute white shoes, these are perfect. They're very comfortable. They're very lightweight. They're not probably like super great arch support or anything like that, but there's definitely enough room for my orthotic in there. I just like a little extra support. Cute. Okay, well, so far, so amazing. Now we have the clothing portion of this segment.
What?
I kind of forget what these things are that I ordered. I do see the silk dress. Let's just start with that. The color is like exactly what I thought it would be. Let's just try it on. Okay, so like obviously it needs to be steamed, but this is not bad at all. It's got the little cowl neck thing happening. Is it like perfectly fitted? No. Do I want it to be? No. It's not too big. You can like play around with this. Ooh, I'm really excited. This is actually very cute. Obviously it needs to be steamed though. So that's a win. I figured like, I don't know if I'll wear this out, but even if I wore this as a nightgown, like, pretty cute. Pretty sexy. Like way more sexy than anything I've ever worn to bed. So I have another little dress. This is just like a basic t-shirt dress. I got a 2XL in this dress. Cute. Let's throw it on with like a little, hold on. I'm gonna make a whole look. Like with a little jean jacket. This is such a cute look. Okay. I'm wearing brown underwear. And like you might be able to tell, but yeah, you can tell. But it definitely has substance to it. Yeah, I'm actually impressed. Okay, so bodysuits. I was kind of thinking when I looked at them, they kind of look like skim stoops. Oh, sick. Super plus, it has a bottom that I can get into, okay? Even better, it's adjustable. So like if you have a longer torso or a shorter torso, you can adjust that. Shit. Okay, hold on. Let me squeeze my butt into this and we'll see what it looks like. Okay. I don't know. Like it seems pretty legit. This is like a fully, it is shaping. When I pulled it down, I was like, ooh, it's got some structure to it in here and it is definitely waist cinching. I don't think I need to be wearing a bra or not the underwear that I'm wearing. I'm wearing like high-waisted granny panties right now. I feel like these need a seamless underwear, okay? And no bra. I don't know if you can see this. Like I do have a small waist, but this is like, it's really doing the most. She's really going cuckoo, isn't she? And I'm pretty sure I got the exact same one in brown. I don't know if they're the exact same, but we'll see. Can you say curves ahead? Like, yes. I maybe need to start like walking or something. Jogging. I don't know. She getting thick. Honestly, I don't care. I probably won't start jogging. Okay, let's try this on in brown. Woo! This one is just as good. Wow. It's just so good. Okay, so this time I'm not wearing a bra. Okay. But like, do you see the structure of this? It's giving. I mean, could they be a little bit higher? They probably won't go any higher, honestly, even with a bra. It really is doing the absolute most. It's a little bit tight. It's a little bit tight on my booty. Let's give it a full 360. So we've got the front, the side, the back. Like, I'm a little bit obsessed. And then last but not least, I got this. It's honestly massive. It's a hooded, chunky knit cardigan. Just like me, she's thick. I'm very surprised. And I'm definitely just putting this on with the bodysuit because it's the only look I have. So she's like full length. Are you kidding me? This is actually so nice. I'm gonna wear this to the office tomorrow. Not like this. Not like a bathing suit and a cardigan. I mean, it's not a bathing suit. I know, it's a bodysuit. Yeah, I'm gonna wear this to the office tomorrow. I'm gonna see what they say. And if they ask, I'm gonna be like, it's Temu. Okay, I feel like that was a lot of things, but that was honestly so fun. So many just things that I wasn't sure if they were gonna be good quality, if they were actually gonna be cute in person, if they were gonna be what the picture was online. And literally everything exactly was. Like, it's exactly what it looks like in the photo. Hey. I think I got something else. I did. I literally forgot. I got some other things too. Just some hangers and this Velcro stuff for like tying up all of our accessory cords. Oh yeah. Can't wait. Cannot wait to get my life organized with these. Wicked. It actually works really well. I have so much stuff. I love stuff. I love stuff. I'm honestly so impressed. So if you feel like you like any of these things, I'll have everything linked in the description below. Right now, Temu is having a 90% off site-wide sale. So the deals are hot. If you like any of the things in my description box, you can get an extra 30% off with my unique code. Like what? So yeah, make sure you use my exclusive discount, get yourself some fun little things. Anyway, stay fierce, frugal, and fabulous, and we will see you in the next one.